All right, I'm super excited today because I have here from the Toyota LA region a Tacoma accessorized, the most popular items on the Tacomas. Come take a look at this. I want to show these to you. This thing has got so many accessories, I don't know where to start. So we're going to actually just go right from the top and work our way down and go around. Right up here, you've got the ARB base rack with the guardrails. Take a look at this thing. This thing is solid. This thing ain't moving. You can put anything you want up here. Your cargo carriers, surfboards, skis, whatever it is you're into. And we're not done yet. We got more stuff up on top. Take a look at this. We've got the Yakima pop-up Skyrise tent. This is great because you can use this when you go camping, even just hanging out at the beach. And this Yakima Skyrise tent is mounted on top of this sturdy Rhino XRS Overland rack. Alrighty, not only does the Overland rack support this Yakima tent, you can also have additional accessories added to it like the ARB Tread Pro mounting kit, which in this case, they added the Tread Pro ramp shovel kit. Coming around here, I see this is the Rhino has the real handles. These are going to be very helpful for grabbing and stepping up here to get to the tent, helping open it up and getting it ready for your adventure. And as we come around here to the passenger side of the truck, we have this Rhino XRS accessory gear table. Here you can have your lunch, you can set up your plans, your diagrams, whatever it is you're doing. All right, come down with me down here. Let's check this out. Down here, you've got the TRD 17-inch Beadlock wheels and your Nitto all-terrain tires. And as we move towards the front, we've got back here your Rhino Dominator DSS running boards. All right, I got one more thing I got to show you. Right up here, we have the rigid high-performance fog lights. There you have it, the Toyota Tacoma fully loaded with the most popular accessories. Which was your favorite? Post it in the comments below, but my favorite, I love that Yakima tent. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Howard here at Manhattan Beach Toyota.